Derma Insights with Doc Estimada.
Magandang araw mga kababayan, Doc Kyle here. As we all know na nag-i-increase ang pagbebenta sa online ng iba't ibang produkto. Dumadami rin ang pagpropromote ng fake skincare products at iba pa na hindi mo alam na nakakasakit pala ito sa skin mo. Most products in online shops are unapproved by the regulatory bodies like the FDA. Because of this, the product that you might bought is not working or is damaging your skin more. Now, we have came to ask you to come on here and recommend you a safe and effective product and tell us your feedback. Let us now introduce our guest for the day. So magandang umaga po, Ms. Diana Licoscan.
Magandang umaga po.
Ano po ang mga problema sa current products na ginagamit ninyo? Like, not showing progress or opposite results?
Opo, Doc, wala po talagang progress ang mga nabili ko sa TikTok. And two of my product is cause me to have a harsh breakout. So, I need you po to recommend a good product for me, especially to my sensitive skin.
Okay, I see. For sensitive skin, nire-recommend ko Smile Cleanser, Lightweight Moisturizer, or Benzoyl Peroxide. Like Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser and Aveeno Ultra Calming Foaming Cleanser. These products are made for sensitive skin.
Thank you po, Doc. I will try this product and titingnan ko po if magiging magandang resulta.
Let's meet in a few weeks. What do you think?
Fine ba yun, Doc?
We will meet you all again in the next few weeks.
Derma Insights with Doc Estimada.
Commercial break!
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Derma Insights with Doc Estimada.
Welcome everyone. So, a few weeks back, isa sa audience natin na si Leana came here to ask for a dermatologist approved products. Now, let's welcome back Diana de Guzman.
Hello everyone! I'm so happy sa result ng Cetaphil Cleanser. 2 weeks pa lang, my skin felt so soft at nawala na rin ang pimples ko. Thank you, Doc. Marami din ang nag-compliment sa improvement ng skin ko.
Woo! You are always welcome here in Derma Insights. We are here to keep you safe, knowledgeable, and glowing. See you all again in the next episode.